everybody. It's Lisa with Junk Journal Gems. I thank you for joining me today. I've got a special video today. Just going to make sure I'm still in screen. I placed an order with Esme from the Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. And if you don't follow her, and this is my first time ordering from her, she has the most beautiful laces and trims, and sometimes some fabric that she sells on her Facebook. She's in California, so I would encourage you to check her out. I'm going to put the link to her Facebook in the box below. But I'm so excited to do this that I'm doing this over my lunch break. Let's take a look at what I got. First, it is wrapped so beautifully, and I can't wait to use this wonderful ribbon in some journals. But let's break into it. I've been waiting for this package to come, kind of stalking our mail lady, and when I saw her pull up and put a package on our doorstep today, I told my husband, get out there and get the package that just arrived. So here it is. I'm gonna make sure. I do have a bit of a shadow here. I apologize, but let's open it and see. I'm kind of excited. All right. Oh, she's got it packaged in here. Oh my gosh! I just peeked. Oh my word. Oh my word. Esme, if you watch this, this is unbelievable. Wow. I haven't even cracked into it and I'm already overtaken. Look at these, are so pretty. Some little ribbon flowers, little rosettes. Aren't these pretty? And here are some purple ones. Oh, those will be fun. Oh, this might be the longest video ever. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. It's got a little round back so you can sew it right to a journal. That is gorgeous. I love pearls and bling. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at this with the little seed pearls in there. That is gorgeous. Wow. What a pretty delicate color too. This gives me an idea already. The wheels are turning. Maybe I'll have to use some of this in my upcoming project. Oh. Look at this. Oh, I love this. I'm such a tactile person. I'll be feeling and touching everything. Is it weird? I don't know. I can't help it. This is so pretty. Make sure you can still see. I try to get it up close, but yet still keep everything in camera. Look at that. Just the detail on these is so phenomenal. Oh my gosh. You know what I'm going to end up doing, like I do with so many things that I am in awe of, is I'll sit on this for a while before using these things, before I can part with them in a journal. Look at this. There's some little pink sequins in here. Some more seed pearls. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. This is fancy schmancy. Ooh, that'd be fun. That'd be fun. Oh my. Look at this. Is that pretty? Oh, so pretty. Love that. Oh, and look, I'm going to turn the box around here. Make sure I'm still in frame for you. This is a piece of fabric. It's like a It's almost like a canvas feel to it. Look at these adorable children on here. That is fun piece of fabric. Beautiful. Thank you, Esme. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Is it Esme or Esme? Oh, weather alert. Sorry about that. Tornado alert. So one of the hazards of Wisconsin in the summertime, it's threatening storms outside, so it might go off again. I can't shut that off unless I shut my phone totally off, but I do have the ringer off. Wow, I love this. Pretty. Oh, that's so pretty too. Oh my. Oh, this is gorgeous. Very pretty. Look at that. Ooh, what do you bring out first? I mean, this is chock full of goodness. Oh my. Look at that. These are going to be so much fun to play with. I just love the color of these pearls too. Look at that. I love that. Ooh, so yummy. She packages them so nicely. Oh, so pretty. Oh, my Annette keeps going. I'm so overwhelmed. But I've seen other journal makers commenting on how much they love her items, and I see why. Look at this. I love this. It's kind of a light dusty pink. I don't know if that's coming up. Oh, you guys, look at, I'm way over here. It's kind of a light dusty pink. I hope you've been able to see everything. Oh, what do I pick up first? Oh my, I love this. Love, love, love. Can you see how delicate? Oh, goodness sake. I'm going to keep going with the video despite the tornado alert until I hear the workers outside stop. If I hear the workers outside stop, I know it's time. Look at this. And this, oh my. These are just precious. Look at this one. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely. This is on like some tulle. So wonderful. Look at this. And it's very soft. And there's a good amount of these in here. Look at this. I'll be making journals and crafting for a long time. Well worth it. Well worth it. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. This reminds me of Gail Augustinelli with the teal and the pink. Little sweet sequin on there. Oh. Okay, look at this. Again, this is so soft. Very lovely. I don't want to unroll everything. It's packed so nicely. I hate to undo it, but I want to see everything. Oh, that's so pretty. Again, this is soft too. Look at these. That's fun. I've never seen anything like this. Some sequins along the bottom, and it's got a ribbon through here. That's pretty. Very different. Oh, this is a fun one. Look at that. All sequins. I see some Victorian, maybe style journals coming up. All kinds of ideas. My brain is exploding. That's so pretty. Oh, I love this one too. I love it all. So far, there's nothing in here that I don't like. I love it all. Oh, look at how sweet this one is. Very pretty. And some of these that I've mentioned are soft. I think, like this one, I think if I wanted to coffee dye some of it or tea dye some of it, it would take that color really nicely. Really nice. Look at this one. I have such a weakness for laces and doilies, linens, vintage linens. That's fun. I don't know what it is. They're like precious to me. Oh, so cool. So cool. I hope you can see this okay, the detail. Ooh, this one. Oh, love, love, love this. Love that. And you know what else I like about this? Nothing is ruffled. I don't really care for ruffly laces. I'll sometimes get it or get it in a mix of other things, and then I tend to cut it apart so it's not ruffly. That's so pretty. But none of these are. Look at this one. Oh, fun. Fun, fun, fun. Let's keep going here. This pretty blue one. Again, I've got a project coming up here that we'll be working on. Hopefully you can join me and we'll work on it together. This is fun too. You could use different pieces of it or the whole thing. Wouldn't this make a pretty pocket too? It's a really pretty collage tag or journaling card inside, or a vintage ephemera that you could see right through it. Love this one too. Here we go, it's me. Can't figure out what's front or back. It's so pretty. Oh, look at this one. Isn't this sweet? Oh, I love this. It's not really a sage green. It's a little brighter than that. I don't know what you would call this color. It's almost minty green. This is super soft. Makes me want to put it up to my face. Look at that. That's cool. You could use the circles as a frame. That would be cool. That's neat. Look at this sweet one. Where's the end of it? There. Pretty. That's pretty. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love this. I've never had anything like this. That is gorgeous. Oh my. Love that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. My brain is just blowing up with ideas. Whoops. 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 Look at this one. It's huge. Oh, wow. This is so fine and pretty. Look at that. I'm going to make sure you can see. Got to make sure my friends are sharing in my experience here. Look at that. Oh, wow. Can you imagine having a garment with this kind of lace on it? Amazing. And then we have some, oh, here's another little one hiding out in the corner. This is super soft. That's so pretty. And then look at this. Wow. All these flowers in it. You have flowers for days, or you could use it over a piece of fabric as a journal cover. Wow. So, whew, this is a lot. This is a lot to take in. Like I said, I think I'm going to have to go through it all and look at everything one more time. I don't know how I'm going to get it all back in the box now that I tore everything out. But I wanted you all to share in this wonderful experience with me. Like I said, look for Esme on Facebook, and she will be linked below. I thank you for joining me for this unboxing. This was really something special. Have a terrific day, and I'll see you the next time.